Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello all signs. So this is your message and energy check-ins and syempre prediction, okay? So, yeah, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang, okay? And yes, kung di pa po, no? ah nakakapag-follow sa atin pong FB page, follow na. And kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, message lang po tayo sa atin pong FB page for more info. Okay? Good morning. Oh. Good morning. Okay, so yeah, ang aga. Oo. Okay. Mhm. Unahin natin ang mga air signs as always, So, air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Okay, so anong meron for you? Message, energy check-ins, and prediction. Anong meron? Air signs. Okay, oops. The moon. Okay, Pisces energy. The Six of Swords. Okay. The World in reverse. May iwan. I don't know kung ano. Kung may lakad kayo today, pwedeng may maiwan. Double check. Okay? Baka bumalik kayo. What's with the moon? Ano tong the moon? The Hermit. Meron kayo parang kailangang itago ngayong araw. Okay? In general ha, meron kayong kailangang itago ngayong araw. Okay? Ano tong Six of Swords? The Nine of Swords. Double check ha, talaga, before kayo umalis ng bahay. Oo, syempre, 'di ba? Baka mamaya nasa eroplano ka na, tsaka mo iisipin, "Hay, nailis ko kaya yung saksak ng plancha ko?" No, hindi naman sa literal na nasa eroplano ka na, pero may lakad ka lang. Kaya na tong the world in reverse. The Nine of Pentacles in reverse. Okay. Some of you, kung may mga pending kayong bayaran nyo na. Okay? Be responsible. Alam nyo, merong ditong energy na pwedeng, kung sino man yung past mo, recent. Okay? They're like thinking of you a lot. I don't know why. Okay, pwedeng yes, may unfinished business kayo ng taong to. Pwedeng Virgo, Pisces, air sign, fixed sign, and earth sign. Okay, so tingnan natin. Anong dahilan? Bakit kanya iniisip? Oh, the Nine of Pentacles in reverse. This is commitment. Okay, maybe dama pa rin nila yung connection ninyong dalawa, or yung sabihin natin is meron kayong strong connection nitong taong to. Okay, may mga nakakaalala sa'yo ngayong araw, or may makakaalala. Antong Nine of Pentacles in reverse, this is responsibilities, or sabihin natin commitments. Yeah, the Knight of Wands. Some of you, pwede ngang may lakad, no? So, ano tong Nine of Swords? Bakit sila nag-iisip? Okay, gusto ka nilang kausapin. The Page of Swords. Some of them, pwedeng meron lang silang gustong malaman. Okay? Maraming taong pwedeng pinag-uusapan ka. I don't know, like, meron silang mga haka-haka about you. Haka-haka lang naman nila yun. Okay? I don't know kung ano yun. May mga pinag-uusapan sila. Okay? Yeah. Some of you, pwedeng pamemera mo. Okay, ang pinag-uusapan ng mga to. Okay? So, there. A past person wanting to talk. Okay, next is fire signs. Okay. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay. Anong message sa'yo? Excuse me. Energy check-ins and predictions. Okay. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sag. Okay, the Four of Wands. Occasion. The Hierophant in reverse. Okay. And the Three of Cups in reverse. Nakakita ko dito ng GC na hindi ka kasama. Family members, some of you, mga co-workers, some of you, mga friends nyo. Meron silang sariling GC, meron silang mga sariling usap-usapan, pero hindi ka kasali. I don't know, maybe this is like a surprise. Meron ditong naghahanda ng surprise. Nakakaramdam ako ng ganun. Okay? So, meron ako ditong nakikita rin na pwedeng may friend if ever meron kayong mga planned schedules na I don't know, something like may pinaghandaan na kayo pero nandito yung may magba-back out. Okay? Ano tong Four of Wands? What's with the Four of Wands? Meron ditong gustong malaman if you are in a connection na already. Meron nang tatanong, nasa isang connection na ba si fire sign? Parang ganun. Or sabihin natin, meron din ditong naku-curious about sa work mo, about sa relationship mo. Friend of yours, I don't know. Or plastic na friend. Four of Wands, please. Okay, the Knight of Swords. Yes. Meron ditong parang may magba-back out. Or something lang na pwedeng magkakos ng delay sa kung ano mang nakaschedule today. Okay? Yeah. Some of you, meron ditong may sakit or magkakasakit. Yeah, hindi ko naman nakikitang malala. Siguro, lang, need to take some rest lang. Kaya, yeah. Na, tong the High Priestess in reverse? The Four of Cups in reverse. Yes. Meron ditong like, a Virgo, a Cancerian, a water sign. Okay. Ang gustong malaman kung nasa isang relasyon ka na ba or pwedeng gusto nilang malaman kung totally kung ano ba yung work mo o kung anong pinanggagalingan ng resources mo, kaperahan mo, mga ganyan. Okay? Some of you, yun nga, pwedeng love. Are you in na like new relationship na ba? Yan, may mga nag-iisip ng ganyan. Pwedeng nakarelasyon mo, nakakonect mo noon, mga ganyan, past mo, no? Pwedeng mga kapamilya mo, friend mo, mga ganyan. Okay? Meron ditong parang something lang na friend mo, okay, na parang hindi tinotolerate yung hindi talaga dapat. Okay? Pero nandyan yung susuwayin mo pa rin siya kasi ayaw mo eh. Oo, hindi siya nagtotolerate, ayaw niya. Ano tong the Three of Cups in reverse? Yeah, the Queen of Wands. Okay. Strength. I don't know. Labanan kayo ng someone na ito. Okay. Ayoko kasi nito na parang like magmumukhang weak. Lalo na pagdating sa isang tao, no? Itong friend mo na to, this is specific. Okay. Itong friend mo na to, kahit ano sasabihin ito sa'yo, like, hindi to plastic. Like, talagang real talkan. Kung real talkan, no? Ayoko kasi nitong parang mapapariwara. Ayoko nitong mga saktan. Okay, so ina-advisean ka niya ng maganda, pero nandyan yung, ayoko, parang ganyan, ayoko nga, parang ganyan, matigas pa rin yung ulo. Meron ditong ganan. Okay? Yeah, some of you, pwedeng kapamilya mo, kapatid mo, yan, ganyan. No? So, there. Okay. schedules, paki-double check mga fire signs today. Okay? So, next, water signs. Okay, anong meron? Messages and energy check-ins, predictions. Okay, water signs. Okay. Meron ako nakikitang pirmahan today. Okay? Pirmahan. Okay. Ace of Wands in reverse. Delays. The Four of Wands. Yeah, the Ace of Swords in reverse. Before pumirma, double check. Meron ako dito nakikitang may nakaschedule ngayon na pipirmahan pero pwedeng hindi matuloy. Okay? Something came up. Parang ganyan. Ano tong Ace of Wands in reverse? The Two of Swords in reverse. Okay, meron ako dito nakikitang parang 2 offers. Okay, na pwedeng darating ngayong araw. Okay, so mamimili. May pagpipilian. I think this is work related. Okay, something regarding stability. Okay, so kung meron man kayo, so siguro parang ano like nakakita ko dito ng resignation. May magre-resign. Okay, ano tong Four of Wands? Or nag-iisip na. Okay, yeah, the Fool in reverse. Be careful ha. Okay, be careful sa paggawa ng decision ngayong araw. Okay, so kung hindi mo kayang magdesisyon agad-agad, wag mong gagawin. Okay, ano tong Ace of Swords in reverse? Yeah, the Sun. Okay, meron ditong parang message na hindi nyo pa nababasa, like hinihintay nyo na hindi pa nababasa. Some of you, nakikita ko dito ng false pregnancy. Yes, yung iba rito pwedeng may sign na ng pregnancy. This is not for all. Okay, check up ang nakikita ko rito. Okay, some of you water signs, no, pwedeng magkaroon ng arguments. Hindi naman masyadong pangmalakasang argumento to. Pangmalakasan talaga. Yes, parang ano like may makakapak ng ego ngayong araw. I don't know why. Some of you, there's surprises coming ngayong araw. Yes. Yeah, ang daming ace, 3. Puro nakabaliktad lahat. Why? There's a lot of delays. Okay, water signs. Ano tong the Sun? Nandito si the Sun. Ano to? The Three of Swords in reverse. Okay, eto ha, water signs. Kung may mga hindi mag-workout today or wag niyong pipilitin. Okay? So I think ipagpaliban muna. Water signs. Ha? Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Kung merong hindi mag-fit or hindi maging okay na lakad today, wag niyong ipipilit. Okay? Listen to your intuition. Wag niyong ipipilit. Maybe gawin nyo kinabukasan. Ha? Oo. There's something. Okay? So, meron dito energy ng parang gustong magkaroon ng sabihin nating opportunity with you. Okay? Some of you, pwedeng makakuha ngayon ng parang unexpected na kaperahan. Unexpected na pwedeng pipirmahan today nga, no? Yeah, this is something like a surprise. This is nice for some of you. Okay? So, there. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng may iniintay kayo, lalo na patungkol sa pera. Pwedeng dumating. Okay? Pwedeng dumating. Pwede ngayon or bukas. Okay? So, yun ang naramdaman ko. Next is Earth Signs. Okay. Earth Signs, how are you? Okay. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay. So, yeah. Okay. Earth Signs. Anong message for you? Energy check-ins and predictions. Okay. Anong meron ngayong araw? Okay. The Six of Cups. Oh. Meron ako nakikita ditong meet-ups or get together no, ng mga friends mo, ganyan. May nakakamiss sa'yo ngayon. Yeah, the Emperor. Some of you, pwedeng makakasama mo ngayon ng father mo. Okay, father, mother, yan. Meron ditong parang may irereminis. Irereminis, oo. Okay? Yeah, oh, the Four of Swords. Nakakita ko dito yung specific ha. Okay, may dadalaw sa sementeryo. Okay, ngayong araw. Ngayong araw. Okay. Six of Cups, please. Yeah, the Hierophant. Oh, marami nakakamiss sa'yo. Meron ditong energy ng past na pwedeng nananahimik siya pero they still want you. They still want to commit. Okay? What's with the Emperor? Some of them, maigo lang talaga. Yeah, the Five of Cups. Kahit gusto makipag-ayos. Meron ditong gusto makipag-ayos pero I think kung nananahimik sila because of the Four of Swords is here, kung nananahimik sila, ego nila yun. Okay? Hindi nila mapakawalan or hindi nila makayang bitawan yung ego nila eh. Okay? Ano tong Four of Swords? Yeah, hindi nila kayang bitawan. The Ten of Wands in reverse. May nasasaktan pa rin. Okay? Nasasaktan siguro. Yung past mo dahil hindi niya kaya gawin yung gusto niyang gawin sa connection nyo. This is specific. Okay? Some of you, pwedeng kumontak si boss. Kahit rest day mo, kung rest day ka today. Some of you may rest day ngayong araw. Naka-rest day ngayong araw. May pahinga. Okay? Yung iba rito, ngayong araw, parang limitahan muna yung responsibilities. Kailangan nyo munang magpahinga ngayong araw. Okay? So, yeah, be fair. May gastos ngayong araw, mga earth signs. Yes, gastos. Watch your spending. Okay? So, you need to relax. Oo. Kailangan mo mag-relax ngayon. Kailangan mo munang alis-alisin. Oo, yung mga burdens nasa iyong balikat. Ha? Okay? So, kung kailangan mong hindi sumagot ng tawag, wag nyong, like, liliteralin, no? Yes, kasi may mga ganun, like, pahinga muna, tas may mga messages, calls, wag nyo munang sagutin hanggat kaya. Okay? Hindi kayo pumirma para sumagot ng tawag sa rest day mo. Okay? Tandaan nyo yan. Okay? So, yeah. Your past person is missing you. The recent past. Okay? You're still hurt. I don't know. Some of you, meron ditong mga third parties. Okay? So, yeah. Yun lamang ang aking, ang dami ko nakikita ritong gustong mag-reach out sa'yo, earth signs. Pero natatakot sila. I don't know why. Para silang back and forth. Okay? Parang ganyan. Okay? So, there. Merong mga ang daming pahabol. may mga ganap ngayong araw. Yes, may mga ganap, mga naka-schedules. Okay? So, yeah, yun lamang ang ating messages for all signs. So, thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? So, bye. Bye-bye.